Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. So today we're going to touch on the topic habitats. Okay, tempat tinggal habitats, and it will be on page 78 on our textbook. Okay, Supermind textbook. Geography. Okay, it's about places, tempat-tempat. So here we have a few habitats. Okay, look at the habitats. What colors are they? Kita lihat dulu kelima-lima habitat nih. We have 5 habitats. So what color are they? So we need to identify, kita kena kenal pasti the color. So let's have a look on this sentence. The polar regions are white and blue. The first place is this one. Polar region. Okay, it's a cold place, tempat yang sejuk. Yes, white and blue. Okay, white and blue. To be clearer, supaya lebih jelas, I've searched the picture of them. Let's split the screen. First one, polar region. Okay, let's have a look on polar region. This is the place of polar region. More pictures. The polar bear. These are penguins right here. Polar bear. The ice. Snow. What else? And it's a very cold place. Extremely cold. Tempat yang sangat-sangat sejuk. Okay. Next one. Ocean. Let's have a look on the ocean. So the ocean is, what color is this? Blue? White? So let's have a look. In the ocean, I can tell that we can see more of the blue color and lots of coral. Tengok nih batu karangnya. Bluish. Okay, bluish ocean. More corals. Cantik This is the habitats for the small fish. Okay, habitat tempat tinggal ikan-ikan kecil. Ocean, ocean, ocean. So next, let's have a look on the jungle, the third one. So the jungle is green, mostly are green. But let's have a look on more pictures. So this is the jungle. Who is this? Is this Harry Potter? Jungle. It's a movie, but never mind. So lots of trees, huge tree, pokok yang besar. Lots of plants, green plants. The river. Is there a monkey? Small river. So this is the jungle. They're enjoying themselves. Okay, picnic, I think. Next, let's have a look on the desert. Okay, desert, padang pasir. If you say polar region is super duper cold, this place is super duper hot. Okay, panas tempat ni. Let's have a look on the desert. So what color is this? Orange? I think it's orange. The animals are camels, right? We have camels. Lots of sand. Okay, banyak pasir. Lots of them. See? They can live here because they have their hump. Ada bonggol di belakang to store the water. Untuk simpan air masa panas. Cactus, see the plants. So this is a very hot place. Not every plants can survive here. Bukan semua tumbuhan boleh selamat sini Tengok, kering kontang. It's too hot. Just minimum amount of water in this place. Sangat sikit air. Okay. So next, let's have a look on the 5th habitat. Okay, tempat tinggal Tempat tinggal. Habitat. mountains. Okay, mountains. Gunung ganang. Let's have a look. The mountains. Oh, the colorful one. Okay. Oh. On the mountain. In the mountain. Mostly they have big rocks. Okay, batu-batu yang sangat besar. Full of snow sometimes when it's too tall. You have waterfall sometimes, but mostly they are rocks. Banyak batu. And beautiful place, of course. See? Lots of rocks. Banyak batu, keras batu. Kalau jatuh boleh berdarah. So these are the 5 habitats that we learn today. So next, after we learn about the habitats, okay, let's do this second activity. What do you find in the habitats? What do you find? Apa yang kamu boleh jumpa di tempat-tempat tadi? Okay, for example, you find sand in the desert. Kamu boleh jumpa pasir di padang gurun. Are you sure? Look at this. Sand, pasir. Kamu boleh jumpa di desert right here. Okay. Let me use pink. So the sand you can find in the desert. So that's the first one. How about the trees? You find trees, kamu boleh jumpa pokok-pokok ini di mana? In the desert? No. You find trees in the jungle. Okay, di hutan. See? Lots of trees. Banyak pokok sana. Next, rocks. I just told you about this one. Cikgu baru saja cakap pasal ni. You find rocks. Kamu boleh jumpa batu-batu ini in the mountains. Okay, di kawasan Gunung Ganang. Over there. Alright? So that's the third one. Next, coral. Batu karang. Let me use another color. Purple. Coral. You can find coral. Boleh jumpa batu karang di up here. Okay, naik lagi. In the ocean. Di dalam laut. Di dasar laut. At the bottom of the sea. You can find corals. Lots of them. Beautiful. And lastly, how about the snow? How about the snow? The snow, let's use this sentence again. Kita pakai lagi ayat ini. You find snow in the, di mana kamu jumpa salji ini? In the, let's draw the line. In the polar region right here, right? You can find snow in the polar region, the cold place, tempat yang sangat-sangat sejuk, super duper cold. Okay. Alright, so we have done with activity 1 and activity 2. So next page, on the next page we have, okay, page 79. Okay, page 79, muka surat 79. Let's see, another activity. Where do you find the animals? Okay, di mana kamu boleh jumpa haiwan-haiwan ini? So what are the animals? Down here we have 8 animals. The first one is tiger. So this is the tiger. Harimau. Wow. Next one we have the parrot. Burung kakak tua. Okay. This one. Parrot. Burung. So where can you find the tiger? Then look at this sentence. You find tigers, ada banyak harimau, tigers in the jungle. Okay, di hutan yang banyak pokok tuh ada harimau. Oh, jaga-jaga. So how about parrot? Parrot, we use this sentence again. Kita pakai lagi. You find parrot in the ocean? No. The jungle as well. Di hutan juga. Right, in the jungle as well. How about camel? Okay, unta yang tadi. Where can you find the camel? So, use this sentence again. You find, kamu jumpa camel. Oh, let me use another color. Camel, you find camel, jumpa unta. In the jungle? No, in the desert. How do you spell desert? Okay, in the desert. So this one. Next one. This animal is called goat. Okay, kambing. Mountain goat. Okay, kambing gunung. Okay, the goat. Let me use another color. The goat. So let's use this sentence again. Kita pakai lagi ayat ini. You find goat in the jungle? No, you find goat in the mountains. Okay, in the mountains, di kawasan gunung. Banyak kambing gunung. Number 5, polar bear. Let me use the color. Polar bear, beruang kutub. Polar bear. Where can you find polar bear? You find polar bear in the polar region. Okay, polar region. Next, how about the shark? Ni yang kamu selalu nyanyi tu. Baby shark, dudu dudu. Where can you find the shark? You can find shark in the ocean. In the ocean. Di dasar laut. Not dasar lah. Okay, not at the bottom. Even at the beach you can find the ocean. Di tepi pantai pun ada. Kadang-kadang ada ikan jerung. Okay, ikan jerung. If we call this in BM. So next, jellyfish. Jelly. Jellyfish. Where can you find jellyfish? You find jellyfish in the ocean. Sama. Ocean. Lastly, penguin. Where can you find penguin? Di mana kamu boleh jumpa? You can find penguin in the polar region, tempat yang sejuk juga. Polar region. So that's for this activity. Remember, each of these animals, setiap haiwan ini, they have their own habitats. Okay, ada tempat tinggal dorang masing-masing. Sebelah sini ya. Ada tempat tinggal dorang. Just like us, macam kita pun ada tempat tinggal. We stay at home. Especially during this pandemic, COVID-19, we need to stay at home. Don't move around too much. So next, let's do a little bit of exercise regarding this one. Okay, take out your exercise book. Okay, we have done this during our Google Meet. Next, write down the date. Not purple, sorry, use the black. 25th. It depends on when you watch this video, but today is 25th May 2021, and the topic for this exercise is habitats. HABITATS. T-A-T-S. Okay, ada banyak tempat tinggal, habitats. Let's see, number 1. You have to complete these sentences. Okay, I will write down 8 sentences. Cikgu akan tulis 8 ayat. Kamu kena lengkapkan. So number 1, you might notice the sentence. Mungkin kamu tahu nih. You find how about penguin first? You find penguin, G-U-I-N, in the let me draw the line, and don't forget to put full stop. Polar region. Kamu jumpa penguin, okay, di polar region. Make sure your spelling is correct. R-E-G turun bawah I-O-N. So that's the first example. Okay, the first example, you find penguin in the, di mana kamu jumpa penguin? Polar region. Okay, your handwriting must be beautiful. And this one, leave it empty, kasih biar kosong. Okay, don't write anything, jangan tulis apa-apa. So the second one will be over here, number 2. You, why macam ni huruf besar. Jangan mula-mula tulis pakai huruf kecil. This is wrong. When you starting your writing, use capital letter, huruf besar. Mula-mula tulis huruf besar. You find, sama juga ini ayatnya. You find, how about jellyfish? J double L fish. Jellyfish in the, where can you find jellyfish? So it's up to you. Di mana kamu jumpa jellyfish? In the desert. So that's the second one. Over here, leave it empty, kasih biar kosong lagi. Number 3. Okay, you, huruf besar, capital letter. You find, how about parrot? Burung kakatua. Where do you find parrot? Double R O T. Okay, you find parrot in the, di mana? Ocean. So that's the third one. So let me finish writing first, and after this you will need to answer you need to complete, kasih lengkap ini ayat. For example, number 2, you find jellyfish in the Okay, so you need to write down your answer correctly about the habitats yang kita belajar tadi. So let me finish this one first. Alright, so I finished this writing. Let's review one more time. The first one, okay, the first one, you find penguin in the, di mana kamu jumpa penguin? Polar region. Okay, that's the first one. Next, you find jellyfish in the, where do you find the jellyfish? Write down your answer over here. Okay. Next one, number 3, you find parrot, okay, burung kakatua, in the, where do you find? Write down your answer. So that's number 3. Number 4, you find goat, kambing, in the, where? Okay, write down your answer. Number 5, you find shark, okay, shark, ikan jerung, the baby shark, in the, where? So write down your answer. You find polar bear in the, di mana kamu jumpa beruang kutub? write down your answer. And number 7, down here, you find tiger, okay, harimau, in the where? Ocean. Write down your answer. Okay. But lastly, on the next page, this one, number 8, you find camel, okay, burung unta, wrong. You find camel, okay, unta, in the jungle. Whatever your answer are, you have to write down, fill in the blanks, okay, isi tempat kosong. So remember, there are 8 sentences, ada 8 ayat tu, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, there are 8 sentences that you need to complete. So after you have done, as usual, macam biasa, you have to send to our Telegram group so that I can check your handwriting, I can check your spelling, and finally I would like to know your answers. Cikgu mau tengok jawapan kamu betul atau tidak. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you on the next lesson. Goodbye.